This will be the coolest BROVIEW yet. BROVIEW stackable storage bin in clear. They come flat packed like this with a lid, some sides that just flip right up, and then again, and again. And then there's a clear piece that goes right here. I don't need that because I know I'm going to stack all of them, but if you wanted to use them without the lids, you would put the clear border on. If you're just stacking them in a tower, you can skip that completely and just pop that lid on and then snap the sides. So easy. They have wheels, so you can go back and forth. And I just love that this has 3 modes of entry. The front, that's locking, and then all the way through to the back. So you won't have to ever flip this around for access. And these are designed to easily stack securely. And once they're up, they're stable. Each bin measures roughly 20 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 12 inches high. And I love that with all the bins, you can see what's inside. I'm going to be using this in my art studio. I have a lot of supplies, and I need to see what I've got. The wheels, very functional, easy to move. The whole thing stays together because those wheels nest into the one below it. The build quality is sturdy, and each one can hold up to 100 pounds when they're stacked. It's a very thick, high-quality PET material that's going to maintain its nice glassy clearness. So these are just amazing. Highly recommend.